So the second part is out. So we've compared our cash collections. So we now want to prepare a cash budget for Benco for June and July. So let's start doing that. Prepare a cash budget for June and July. Benco Limited. Now my cash collections is easy. I forgot to put June in here, July in here. So my cash collections should be down a row. I just picked the number from here, 33,024 and 24,288. So that's how I do my collections. Next is my cash payments. My cash payments. So let's have a quick look up here. Cash payments. Based on the previous experience, sales are, so I've done all my sales. So I've got all of those. The purchases for May. Purchases of inventory for May. 9,500. Let's have a look. For May are 11,000. All purchases are made on credit and paid for 1 month after the purchase. So it means if I purchase in May, I'm paying in June. I purchase in June, I'm paying in July, which is the numbers I want. So let's have a look. My cash suppliers would be 11,000, which is that amount there, and 9,500, which is this amount here. So after my cash payments for my suppliers, I want to include all my other expense items. Now let's have a look here. We've got salaries, rent, depreciation. I'm going to just put a little cross there, depreciation, because this is non-cash and it doesn't belong in our cash budget. Advertising and electricity, and it looks like we incur them for both months. So just zoom out again so that we can get it all on the page. So salaries is 5,000 a month. My rent is 2,000 a month. My advertising is 1,800 a month. And my electricity is 950 a month. So I can tick off all of those. All those items are there. Now, do I have any other items? I probably do. Let's have a slide out. All relevant operating expenses are paid in cash in the month. Okay, so take care of that. The business intends to purchase some new furniture at a cost of 20,000, which will be a deposit of 20% in June, and the balance will be paid in the following month. So let's just put in furniture here. 20% of 20,000 is 4,000, and the balance is paid in the following month, so it's 16,000. So there will be that one. There will be additional motor vehicle expenses paid in July, so let's go motor vehicle, and that's $800. Alright, the cash balance is in May, that's it, so we're down to the bottom of the information. So now I need to work out what my cash payments are. And what do we have? We have 11, 16, 18, 19, 19, 23, 23, 800, 24, 750. We've got 9, 14, 14, 16, 17, 17 and 16 is 33, 33, 800, 34, 750, plus 5 is 35,000, 30, and plus the other 830, okay, 36, 050 is my cash payments. So my net cash is my cash collections minus my cash payments. So I've got 33,024 less 24,750 will make 8,274. And brain's not too good today. Resort to the calculator. So I've got 24,288 minus 36,050 equals 11,762. Now, because that's a negative figure, I realise that's cash outflow. So let's see what happens next. I need my opening cash balance. So my opening cash balance is, at the end of May, it was $1,000. So it's 1,000, which makes my closing cash 9,274, and this one goes up to there. This makes this one 9,274, and the difference, add these two together, it's 11,762 plus 9,274 equals 2,488. Now that's cash outflow, so we've got it more than. Now that's not quite finished, because I noticed there's another question down here. It says comment on the budgeted cash position for Benko at the end of July and suggest 2 steps that management could take to address this situation. So I've got a situation. My situation is I have a negative cash flow. I've spent more money than I've earned. So what can we do about that? The first thing I could do, arrange an overdraft. So I could arrange an overdraft. That's the first thing I could do. I could defer the purchase of my furniture. So this furniture here, I could try and put that off for a couple of months. That would help me have a positive cash balance. I could ask suppliers for extended credit. And my last thing is defer payments, expense payments. So that's all the items that I need to do. Now let's see if I can get that back on screen again. All of it on screen, nearly all of it on screen.